What's up, YouTube? So I have a bit of an unconventional video today, but it was one that I thought was worth making, and I'm going to show you how to add Bluetooth for any phone in any Ford model with the screen here. I'm using the Ford Escape right now, but I should work for any of them with the screen. They all should have the same relative layout. So in order to start this, you're just going to hit the settings gear button right there. And then if you hit media player right in the middle, it should come up as the settings come up. And then there'll be an option for Bluetooth devices. The second one down, you're gonna select that. And then all the way to the right here, you can see an option to add a device. You're gonna do that. Just gonna take a moment here.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
All right, then from here, you're just gonna go to your settings app. And then hit the Bluetooth, should be the third option down. And it should take a little minute, but you're going to see under other devices all the way at the bottom. It's loading up right now, and then the sync option should be there. It might be labeled as something else. I'm not 100% familiar with other Ford models. You're going to check, just confirm that that code's all right, and then hit pair. And then now anytime you hop into your Ford car, it's just going to automatically connect for Bluetooth. It is really helpful that you don't have to do this every time. It's just a one-time thing that you have to connect to. All right, now that I'm back in the car, your Bluetooth should be connected. You could just tap on right there and then hit the arrow down. And then you should see the little Bluetooth option. You're going to hit that. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.